Hello and welcome to another video. Today it's gonna be a very quick video which is gonna talk about different adapters for the Recaro Pole Position seat in the GR Yaris. We have a client car just right in front of me. He let it install from a different manufacturer or a different company, but he isn't happy, so that's why the car is here. And that's also why we gonna install our system, or the system we use. It's not that we designed that, but we're using that because of everything I've saw. It's just by far the best option for me. Maybe there are different options, but this one's street legal in Switzerland, which means it has to undergo very thorough testing. And so it's very sturdy and very safe also. So I can recommend that for all over the world, and it doesn't cost that much. And I think I showed you that already a few times, and it's very, very low. So, but the difference to the one he had installed is they use the OEM seat rails, which is basically very nice because they slide very nice front and back, and also the seat belt buckle is very nicely installed. So that's actually very good. But the downside of that is you still sit up very high. I think it's lower, roughly 30 millimeters, which isn't that much. You can actually achieve that with just different rails, the original seat. So not sure if that's worth it. So we installed our kit, and it's actually another 40 millimeters lower than the other manufacturer. So that's a lot, because now you're sitting roughly 70 millimeter lower than stock, which is huge. You could go up another, what's that, 20 millimeter or so. Yeah, so you could sit higher if you like to. But let me just show you. I'm not gonna show the manufacturer of the other kit because, yeah, I don't wanna mess with them. It's just, yeah, just what it is. I'm gonna show you the kit they've made, and then I'm gonna show you the measurements of the seat like it is right now and as it was before. So let's go. So, and this is their kit. I actually taped over the name because, yeah, I don't have to show you that. One of the things I really like is that it slides back and forth very easy because they are just the OEM rails. And also the attachment for the seatbelt buckle, it's just a stock one. That's also very good. What I really don't like, it's just look how flimsy this is. So the only thing that gives this one stability is the seat between, which, yeah, I'm not sure if that's the right way to go. And also the only thing that connects the left to the right is the handle. So yeah, not sure if that's the way you should have it. I don't know. So yeah, but the main reason he wanted it to change is because you're sitting up very, very high, and this has now changed. So, and this is the seat in right now with our kit. As you can see, it's very, very low. That's something you could buy from us. We have, yeah, it's just a leather add-on. It's also available with red stitching. But back to topic. So as you can see, you're sitting very, very low. And how low you sit, let me show you the pictures. So that's basically the whole thing. You sit a lot lower than with the other kit, and it's also much sturdier. You've seen that in previous videos. It's a complete plate, so yeah, it's just much more sturdy. It will weigh maybe 1500 grams more or something like that, but I think that's well worth the money. So yeah, that's already it for this video. If you have any questions, like always, just leave a comment or write me an email. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.